Hi, welcome to this video. Uh, if you are unable to find your MAC address and IP address in your phone, so in this video then I will show you that what is the reason behind that your MAC address or IP address is not showing. And second step, I will show you that where is your IP address and MAC address. First, you have to open your mobile phone setting, and mobile phone setting you have to come and search for about phone in your mobile phone setting. You can see that about phone. I'm clicking on about phone. You can see that and every phone there's a different design for their setting. So in about phone you have to search for status information, and you can see that in my IP address and MAC address which are unavailable. So this is the reason that I was very curious to how to find my MAC address. So I find a solution, and the solution is this, that you have to open your Wi-Fi, and whenever you connected to someone Wi-Fi and your own Wi-Fi, and now your MAC address and your IP address is now available. So this is a short trick. You have to connect with someone Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.